Now we're gonna play matchmaker for real. If I can't find love for myself, I'll find love for these 5 eligible bachelors. I joke 6 lang po sila.
Hello everyone, my name is Darren ng Bakasyoning 1.
Hi, my name is Annika and my YouTube channel is Annika Lima.
Hi guys, I'm Juliet Pandas. Hey guys, what is up? My name is Marvin Lansoriano.
So, do you like watching movies with love themes?
Yes.
Definitely, I like watching movies with love themes.
Yes, I do.
Sobra po.
Are you familiar with the love themes of the older generation?
Baby.
Julie Ann Piolo. Are they old?
Sila Fernando po and Susan Roses. Familiar naman, pero syempre mas kilala ko yung mga ngayon. Tingnan natin, kasi mahilig din naman ako sa film.
I know the current love teams now. James Reid and Nadine, Pasniel.
Ken, Julia, tsaka si Joshua.
Okay, so today you will be trying to match old love themes.
Oh my god, okay.
You can open the pictures up now.
Hello! Is this... I don't know who that is.
Start natin doon siya syempre sa mga pinakamadali na. Pinakamadali na pero nag-isip, di ba?
Hindi ko kilala yung name niya. Pero ang alam kong kamatch niya dati is si...
Julian Santos and Wabi Di Guzman.
Who's this? Ogie Alcacid? And then this one, sino ba to?
Ito. Si Juday, si Julian Santos and si Wawi.
I know him! I know Marvin San Agustin. He's a chef. I know his love team. Julina. It's Julina.
Marvin at Julina, classic love teams na narinig ko doon pa man.
Si Marvin. Tsaka si... basta siya.
Julina Magdangal and Marvin Agustin. So, babe, I love you. Yung movie,
Sabi ni Jones, kaibigan mo lang ako!
Sila yata ang alam ko dati.
Rico Yan and Claudine Barreto. Mula sa puso, doon sila naging mas nakilala yung itong love team na to.
Got to believe. I would always watch it as in super love ko yung movie.
Si ate mo Claudine at si kuya mo Rico yan.
I know this guy, Bobby Andrews. Is that his name? Who was Bobby Andrews with? Isn't he always a kontrabida? So I'm assuming it's them.
Feeling ko silang dalawa.
Ito, pare sa akin, actually pares sila, alam ko, kilala ko kasi until now, ito nakikita ko pa rin ito somewhere eh. Tapos ito, parang medyo rin, sa minsan din, pero
TGIS days.
Feeling ko ito. Feeling ko lang parang may connection, ganun. Pag nakikita ko yung pictures ng dalawa.
so si Maricel, tsaka si, hindi ko nakilala yung pangalan niya eh.
Yeah. Yes! Who's this?
That's William Martinez and Maricel Soriano.
William Martinez, kapatid ni Albert Martinez. Ah!
Nanonood din kasi ako ng mga classic movies at isa sila sa mga nakikita ko si William Martinez and Maricel Soriano. Cheryl Cruz and Romnick Sarmienta. Sikat sila way back.
This guy, I feel like ended up with July. Just because they look better.
Kasi parang nakita ko na silang dalawa dati.
Definitely kilala ko sila sa mukha, sa itsura nila, pero sa names hindi na ako talaga sure.
Okay, I think Tirsa Cruz is with this girl because they both look old. Tama? I don't know who this is.
That's Nora Honor.
No!
Guys and Pete movies. So mga Noranians, so ito kilala mga 70s, 80s. Di pa ako matanda pero nakikita ko lang yung mga movies nila.
Pero feeling ko lang din na may movie na rin sila together.
Yan, so si Nora,
Hindi ko na sila kilala. Eto, feeling ko na sila na yung last na match.
Yung natitira, Bobot Mortis and Vilma Santos.
ito,
Vilma and this guy. Yeah, who's this guy?
That's Direk Bobot Martiz.
Huh? This is how he looks like before? Wow, that's a throwback.
Do you see any difference with the pairings today with how they make love teams?
Ay, parang bagets talaga yung mga itsura ng mga love teams dati. Ngayon talaga, as in, sobrang ang mamature na ng mga itsura ng lahat.
Liza and Kinito, medyo mestiza. James and Nadine, Filipino, but they're like so cool. Kathniel, boy next door, girl next door, but very Maria Clara.
I think yung pairings, it's more on sino yung sikat. Unlike dati na talagang magma-matchmaking muna.
kung meron ng nabuo personally talaga or yung parang real life couple na sila, mas makikita na natin mas natural na yung movements nila on camera.
So thank you so much for watching this video.
And don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to Adober Studios Live. Thank you. Bye.